Coconut cream pie is a classic dessert in American cuisine. Its exact origins are a bit unclear, but it is believed to have evolved from various coconut-based desserts popular in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Coconut itself was introduced to American cooking during the colonial period, likely through trade routes with tropical regions. Over time, coconut-based desserts gained popularity, and coconut cream pie emerged as a favorite. The pie typically consists of a flaky pie crust filled with a creamy coconut custard made from coconut milk or cream, eggs, sugar, and sometimes cornstarch or flour as a thickening agent. The filling is often topped with whipped cream or meringue and garnished with toasted coconut flakes. While the precise inventor or origin of coconut cream pie remains unclear, it has become a beloved dessert enjoyed in homes and restaurants across the United States. Its rich coconut flavor and creamy texture make it a delightful treat for coconut lovers and dessert enthusiasts alike. Coconut cream pie, when made with wholesome ingredients like coconut milk, eggs, and coconut flakes, can offer several health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, coconut cream is high in healthy fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides MCTs, which are known for their potential to boost energy and support weight management. Source of dietary fiber. Coconut contains dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and supports overall gut health. Antioxidant properties. Coconut contains antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Vitamins and minerals. Coconut cream contains vitamins and minerals such as iron, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for various bodily functions including nerve function, muscle health, and maintaining electrolyte balance. Low in refined sugar depending on recipe. If made with minimal added sugar or using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, coconut cream pie can be a lower sugar dessert option compared to many other desserts. However, it's essential to note that coconut cream pie can still be high in calories and saturated fat, especially if made with added sugars and buttery crusts. Enjoying it in moderation as part of a balanced diet is key to reaping its potential health benefits while being mindful of its calorie. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.